Yeah, gentlemen, good morning. So this is the continuation of our basic installation for hybrid. So we also talk about non-hybrid. We are going to be talking about non-hybrid installation, and after this, so as I said, remember this is Prostat Technical. Our mission is one youth, three skill. Remember, as I said, you are going to be learning multiple skill in this channel. Is free of charge. Just subscribe and remember, ask any question. Our team, we are ready to answer you. Just be patient, we will reply you. So for those of you that are be asking us, please, how are we going to select breaker? If I want to explain on how we're going to select breaker on this video, it's going to be long and bulk. So after this video, we are going to be showing you how you are going to select your breaker, how to select your breaker. That is when we are talking about series and parallel that determine the size of breaker that you are going to use. We are going to talk that. So in our previous video, we talk about input and we talk about output protection. Now, what is many in this installation is many the PV you can see and also the battery. Now, that is why I'm actually leaving. When it comes to PV, just know that PV breaker, they are DC breaker, they are not AC. The difference between AC and DC breaker. Also note the battery is also DC breaker. So what is left here? We have three breaker. We have three items left that we have not put any connection. We have the DC breaker. So I think first of all I'm going to do the PV connection. This for PV connection. As I said, depends of your connection determine the size, the rating of the DC breaker you are going to use. So let's not talk about the DC breaker, the ampage we are using here. Depends on the manufacturer rating of your panel determine the size of breaker you are going to use. So guys, so we are going, okay, let's assume here I just say 32 amp or 63 amp, just like that, but just permit me to explain the protection of PV and the battery breaker. So that is what I'm going to do here. Now I'm concentrating on the solar panel. This is the solar panel. Okay, so this solar panel this solar panel is connected in series. As you can see, we have the SPDC, which is what surge protective devices. So here it comes through the breaker. You can see this is the positive and this is what negative. You can see where it's coming from, and we have the SPD positive and negative and the edge. Remember I said all our ET system, both for the inverter, they are all going to the same source. You are going to ground all of them. So now please, can you see this is SPDC? So you can see it's positive to positive and negative to negative, then the edge to the ground. Okay guys, thank you. So it's many this positive and negative. Guys, just know this is what you need to do. You just take it straight to this positive here. Do you see? You take it straight to this positive. Now our negative, this is our negative, so this is where you are going. So doing this shows that our PV connection is complete. If you have been following us, you know how we started from the input for the output now to the PV. Our PV is completed. So it's meaning the battery protection. So now I was talking about this battery protection. Good. Just as I said, I was talking about one of my previous video, I talked about using the bus bar is very good. Using bus bar is good because it make your work neat and it make your work, it simplify your work. That is the essence of this video. This our bus bar, the positive bus bar and the negative bus bar depends of the size of your job you are doing. If the job is bulky, you don't need to pull the positive and the negative bus bar in one place. So you don't need to pull the positive and the negative bar in one place. So what you need to do, you need to make a separate bus bar for positive and for negative. So as you can see, but I'm just using this as illustration. So what you are going to do, this is our size of the O. Then now, for you to make it short, so we call here the positive. So this is going to this, then we terminate it. You can see into this bus bar, you can put as many battery that you want. As I said, we just use tubular battery as an illustration. We also talk about, we are going to a lithium battery. Also, we are also going to explain to you. It's just a step by step. So as I said, immediately after this video, you are going to be seeing the practical class of all these gadgets we are explaining. We are going to be showing you one after the other. You will see it. You are going to see the picture view, the view of all these breakers we are talking about. Okay, so guys, this is the battery. We are talking about now the battery protection. You can see we have the DC breaker. As I said, it's DC breaker. Don't use AC breaker for DC breaker. If not, you keep on changing your breaker. So now we have a positive and we have negative here. So now it is your duty you can see negative to negative is going to one bus bar. Okay, so what next? You have the positive. You can see, so this has PSO for other connection, maybe more battery, or you want to also add a other inverter. You can see other inverter will also come here. So now we have what is left, the supply source to your inverter for inverter charging. So this is your you can see is going to your positive terminal. Do you see? Straight, then from here to your positive terminal. So it's left with the negative terminal. So likewise it in so this is full completion of your battery installation. Guys, we have succeeded in doing all our connection for this hybrid inverter, so which I believe is clear to some of you. If it's not clear, please don't fail to write us. We are going to answer you 24 hours. And for the breaker selection, I'm also going to explain to you how to select breaker immediately after this video. So guys, thank you for watching us. Subscribe and also try to share to your loved ones and those that have interest on technical job. So remember, blessed. God bless you. Ciao.